Travelers. I'm Kitty.
And I'm Carrie, and in today's video, we'll be making churros. Alright, as you guys know, Disney just released their churro recipe, so we thought we'd give it a go. We've got the recipe right here, and we've got all the ingredients out and ready to go. We got our butter, we got our water, salt, cinnamon, flour, we got our 3 eggs, sugar and cinnamon, getting ready for this bowl. And then we've got our stove and our pans ready to go over here. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is we're gonna cut up the butter and pour the water into that pot over there. So let's give it a little Disney magic right there with our animator's palette knife. And we're just cutting up the butter so that it melts easier and faster on the stove. All right, now we've got it all cut up. We got the butter. Got our butter, we got our cup of water. All right, we're gonna add our salt. Let me go get the cinnamon. All right, we got a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And now we're gonna stir and we're gonna wait for it to boil. All right, as you can see, all the butter has melted. We're gonna add our flour. We've got a cup and 1/4 flour. And we're gonna pour it in just a few minutes here and stir, 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 stir. All right, guys, so our mixture has started to boil. We got our bubbles, and we're getting ready to add the flour. It's go time. Add the flour. And stir, 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 stir vigorously. Stir, use them muscles. Stir, stir, stir. I'm stirring. Kind of looks like mashed potatoes. Ridiculous. Cinnamony goodness. All right, now that we have stirred it all up, we are going to turn down the heat and set it aside for about 5 minutes to start letting it cool. And while we are waiting for that to cool off, we're gonna get our oil ready and start getting that ready. It's supposed to be, I think, at 350 degrees. Obviously, we don't have a thermometer here to know what temperature it's at. Just pour some in so you can cook it. And we're gonna get that heated up while we wait for that to cool off. Alright, now that our dough has cooled off, we're going to add in 1 egg at a time. And we're going to mix it in until it's all together. We're going to do that with 3 eggs. Egg number 2. Okay, finally the 3rd egg. And then we'll be ready to put it in the bag. Okay, we got it all mixed together. We're gonna stick it in our baggie. And we're gonna get ready. All right, there we go. Alright, we've got some of our churros made here. Now the next step is to add sugar, and then we're going to add some cinnamon. We're going to add cinnamon and sugar and just mix it up together in that bowl. Sure does smell delicious. Alright, now we got our cinnamon and sugar, and we're just going to put our churros in and put the cinnamon sugar on top. And we're going to serve them on our Disney plates. Alright guys, there you have it, our Disney churros. Time to taste them. Crunchy, cinnamon, sugary. Very good. So good. Alright guys, so let us know in the comments below if you've tried the Disney Churro recipe, and we will see you next time. Bye travelers!